air I spent it in good company, and all the harm that e'er I've done, alas, it was to none but me. And all I've done for want of wit to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night, and joy be with you all. Oh, all the comrades that e'er I've had are sorry for my going away, and all the sweethearts that e'er I've had would wish me one more day to stay. But since it falls unto my lot that I should rise and you should not, I'll gently rise and I'll softly call. Good night, and joy be with you all. Good night, and joy be with you all.
Should old acquaintance be forgotten, never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot, and days old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll drink a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. Where we two have run about the braes and pulled the gowans fine, but we wandered many a weary foot since old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. You two have paddled in the burn from morning sun till dawn. Oh, but seas between our sprayed have roared since old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. And there's a hand my trusty fear, and gives a hand to thine, and we'll take a right give kindness yet for